let's go over our chords that we were learning. It spells a fun word called cage. And I remember we went over, I think we went over this one and this one. So we're going to review this one, we'll review this one, and then if we get through time today, we'll do the last three. And remember, this is upside down from your eyes like that. And we're going to do one finger at a time. Let me get my pencil. All right, so finger number one, like that, on this hand. We're going to put finger on this one, this hand here. Yep, we're going to put finger one right there. You got it, and that's this one. Keep it there because that's perfect. Finger two, this finger here, goes right there. Perfect. And three goes there. Yep, that's it. And squeeze as hard as you can and strum. There you go. Let me grab you a pick. Here you go. You can hold this in that hand. There you go. Good job. All right, we're going to do our finger exercising. So we're going to take our finger off, hands off, and then we're going to try to put them back one at a time. And your first finger goes there, yep, which is that one. Then second finger goes right there. Good job. And third goes right there. Good job. Squeeze really hard and strum. Good job. All right, we're going to take our hands on and off 4 more times. Off. And try to put them back on. Have you been practicing? No? You're just naturally a good guitar player? Yeah. All right. 3 more times. Off. And put it back on so our fingers are getting strong. And we're remembering where to put them. Yep, good job. Strong. Awesome. Good job. Last time off. And put it back on. Good job. All right, next one. So that was our C. Now we have A. All 3 of our fingers are lined up together like that. So they're all 3 of them are going to go there, there, and there. Oh, and you know what? Yes, you're exactly thinking correctly, but instead of 3, 2, 1, do 1, 2, 3. So like switch them around. Yes, like that. Yep, 1 right there. 2 and then 3 goes underneath like that. And down 1 like that. There you go. Good job. All right, remember where they at, where your fingers are at. And take them off. And we're going to put them back 4 times. And off and back on. And try to get this guy behind the little bar. Yep, squeeze him back there. There you go. Yep, good job. And off. And on 2 more times. Good job. Yep, you got it. Last time off. And put him back on. So now we know C, we know A. Now we're going to learn G. And like the rest of them, we're going to just learn one finger at a time. All right, first finger goes right There. Yep, okay, don't move it, that's perfect. Second finger goes right there on the thickest string. Yep, and third goes way down there. This one goes way down there at the bottom. Yes, good job. And squeeze really hard and strum. Good job. All right, memorize, memorize, memorize. And take them off and on 4 times. Good job. Put this gun way up there in the thickest string. There you go. Good job. Good job. That's what it looks like there. All right, 3 more times. Off. Getting our fingers very flexible and precise so that we're virtuosic guitar players. There you go, good job. Yep, strum. Off. And back on. Good job. Last time. Off and back on. All right, good job. All right. I think we can learn the other 2 today, right? Yeah, I think so too. We're going pretty quick. All right. So our second to last one, E. So now our first finger goes on the 1, 2, 3rd string on the first fret. 1, 2, 3, right there. Yep. And 2 and 3 are kind of really close, right there. Yep, like that. You're getting faster and faster. Awesome, good job. E is very good. And we're gonna take our hands off. And then we're gonna put them back. Yep, good job. This is an easier one, right? Better than this one. Yeah, easier. All right, take them off. And put it back. Awesome. Take them off. And put it back because our fingers are strong. Good job. And one more time, last time. Very good, very good. All right, last one. We're going through these quick. So our D chord looks kind of like a tiny little triangle on the skinniest 3 strings. And let's start with finger 1. It's going to go right there. Yep. And 2 goes right there. Yep. And 3 is like the point of the triangle. Yeah, good job. That's it. Awesome. Ooh, yes, that, exactly that, but move everybody down 1 string. Start with finger, yeah, you can start with down. There you go, you got it. Ooh, good job, and take them off. And put them back. Yeah, they're separate. Right there. There you go. Nice, good job. And off. And I'm not in tune. That's better. Okay. So, we're done with our chords. We're going to learn some notes or review the ones we already know, and then we'll look at a song. Alright, so we already learned E, F, G, so we're going to look at those again. E, F, and G. And, okay, how many lines does our staff have? Do you remember this thing?
No.
How many do you think it's right there? How many lines?
6.
Ooh, so close, 5. So it's confusing because our guitar has 6 strings, right? But even though these look like strings, they're not. They're the staff. Yes, to even confuse us more as musicians, we have our fretboard paper, which has 6 lines like on our strings. Then we have something different. That's our staff. And I know it's like, why? Why can't it just be one thing? Well, there's reasons for that, but mostly because this was actually made for the piano and they kind of adapted it to guitar. But we're going to look at each thing really slow. So this fancy little thing here is called a treble clef, and guess what? We don't really ever have to worry about it as a guitar player because we're always going to see it. So,
You mean nothing?
well, there's reasons, but basically this is the range of the guitar. And so because this is the range of the guitar, it's always going to be there in guitar music, so we can kind of not really worry about it too much. That's our clef that we're in. So like if you had a big orchestra and you were playing with like violins and horns and trombones and flutes and all the other instruments, they have different ones. But this is ours, and so we can just go, okay, great, that's our clef, we don't have to worry about it too much. All right, that's great, that's great. These are what notes look like. I think you saw these last time you were here. If the note's on a line, it looks like that, it's on a line. Woo!
That's one of those that you're here.
Yep, exactly, yep. And if it's on a space, the little circle looks like it's on a space. So that's hanging out on the line, that's hanging out on the space. This is a bar line, woo, bar line. This is a measure, this is a measure, this is a measure. And if you ever see this, we just worry about the top number for now. It just means you count to 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There you go, boom. And the fun thing about being a musician is we usually only have to count up to 4. It's very easy. Next page. All right, so this is the one we went over before, I think. And now, just to annoy us even more, the book now takes this paper and they go, boop. So annoying. They just keep it like this? I don't know. But they go like that now. So now this guy is just this, but turned. And if you ever can't tell what is what, you can always take these kind of things and just turn it like that so you can see what's going on easier. But for now, this is our open, skinniest string, and to play that note, we just do nothing with this hand and skinniest string. Just that one. There you go, boom, you just played that note. There it is. There it is on the staff. It's on a space. To play the F, we put our first finger on the first fret. Ooh, so close. That's a G. That's there. Go back to, there you go, right there, boom. And strum just that string, and that's your F. Yep, that one. Good job. And now we can play our G. Right. Yep. Very good, good job, that's G. And for now, we just learn E, F, and G, that's it. So we can look at it on the diagram, we can look at our finger numbers, or we can look at it on the staff. And if you notice, it goes a little bit higher, a little higher. So this goes open E, F, G, F, G. We're gonna play this. I'm gonna put my guitar down for a minute so I can help you out. And we'll put it here. Alright. Let's play open E string. Just the skinniest string like that. There you go, good job. Alright, F note on the first fret. Yep, even if it does that, that's okay. Then we're going to play G on the third fret that we learned. Yep, if you take your thumb and kind of squeeze more like that. Now try it. There you go. That's it, yep, good job. That's this one. Alright, now we're going to do this one. Back to F on the first fret. Yep, and sometimes if you move your finger a little bit more like that, there you go. Good job. And the last one, open E string, skinny string. Good job. You just played this whole piece. Good job. This thing is wobbly. Why is it so wobbly? I think I might want to change it. Yep, we're changing it. Because I can't take this anymore. This one is going to go over here in the corner. The broken one. There we go. All right. You can take a break for just a second with your fingers. I know they're probably hurting. So, what else do we need to know? Oh, yeah, okay, so, our notes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You got that? 1, 2, 3, 4, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's very easy. It's very good. We only have to count to 4 for a really long time. Maybe a little later we have to count to 8, but that's even more rare. Most of the time it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Until you're old like me, you still only have to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what they look like. Filled in dot, empty dot with a tiny dot. Kind of weird, right? And big giant donut. Next. So this one is worth 4. So if we see it, we have to play and just let it ring for 4 beats. And 4 beats, what is 4 beats? Well, you just count to 4 and that's 4 beats. So like that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, we just played a whole note. If we get to the next one, we have to count that one 4 too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze. Good job. These ones are worth 2. So if we see that, now it's trying to tell us how to count it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can try that with open E. No, with no fingers. Just skinny string. One, two.
3, 4.
Oh, count. Play it one more time. 3, 4. Good job. Okay, try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, there you go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep,
1, 2, 3, 4.
yep, exactly. These ones are worth 1. So now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. We can handle this, people. We can handle this. So sometimes these guys get mixed up. So 1, 2, and then this one would be 3, 4. Or like over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, exactly. Good job. And guess what? I think this whole book only has 1, 2s, 3s, and 4s. Until you get to the very, very end. See, look, even all these pages are just 1, 2, 3s, and 4s. Pretty good stuff. Pretty good stuff.